Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's video, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's start today's video. Exquisite design. The Bugatti Centodieci features a striking and aerodynamically optimized design. Its bodywork is crafted from carbon fiber, ensuring strength and lightweight construction. The Centodieci's design pays homage to the Bugatti EB1100, featuring a low-slung profile, sharp lines, and a distinctive rear wing. Powerful engine at the heart of the Centodieci lies a monstrous quad turbocharged 8.0 W16 engine, delivering staggering performance figures. It produces an astounding 1,600 horsepower, allowing the Centodieci to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 2.5 seconds and reach a top speed of over 236 mph 380 kmh. Advanced aerodynamics. The Centodieci is engineered to maximize aerodynamic efficiency and downforce. It features active aerodynamic elements, including a rear wing and diffuser, which adjust automatically based on driving conditions to optimize stability and performance at high speeds. Exclusive production limited to just 10 units worldwide, the Bugatti Centodieci is one of the most exclusive and sought-after hypercars ever produced. Each unit is meticulously handcrafted by Bugatti's skilled artisans, ensuring the highest levels of craftsmanship and attention to detail. Luxurious interior. The interior of the Centodieci is a blend of exquisite materials and cutting-edge technology. It features premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents, creating a luxurious and opulent environment for the driver and passengers. Advanced technology. Bugatti's latest infotainment system is integrated into the Centodieci, offering a wide range of connectivity features, including navigation, smartphone integration, and a high-end audio system. The cockpit is also equipped with digital instrumentation, providing the driver with essential information at a glance. Customization options. Despite its limited production run, Bugatti offers extensive customization options for Centodieci owners, allowing them to personalize every aspect of their hypercar to their exact specifications. This includes options for exterior paint colors, interior trims, and bespoke features tailored to individual tastes. Track performance. While the Bugatti Centodieci is designed for the road, it's also capable of delivering exceptional performance on the track. Its advanced chassis and suspension systems provide razor-sharp handling and precise control, making it a formidable competitor on the racetrack. Heritage and legacy. As a tribute to the Bugatti EB1100, the Centodieci embodies the spirit of innovation, performance, and luxury that defines the Bugatti brand. It represents the culmination of decades of engineering excellence and automotive passion, ensuring its place in automotive history for generations to come. Exclusive ownership experience. Owning a Bugatti Centodieci is more than just owning a hypercar. It's an exclusive and unforgettable experience. Bugatti offers personalized concierge services and exclusive events for Centodieci owners, ensuring they receive the VIP treatment befitting such an extraordinary vehicle. Overall, the Bugatti Centodieci is a masterpiece of automotive engineering and design, combining unparalleled performance with unparalleled luxury and exclusivity. It's a true collector's item and a symbol of automotive excellence.